The waves look calm until you realize they're laughing at you. Miles of water in every direction, and not a single drop you can drink without it turning your organs into beef jerky. You're already dehydrated, tongue sticking to your teeth, head pounding like someone's knocking from the inside. You look at the ocean like it betrayed you. I tell you to stop staring and start thinking, because thirst kills faster than hunger and a lot quieter. A gull screeches overhead, circling like it knows you're weakening. You wipe salt from your lips and make it worse. Good lesson. Saltwater doesn't just fail to hydrate you, it accelerates the collapse. You sway where you stand, and that wobble scares you. It should. Your body is running out of time. You whisper, "There's no clean water left," and I shake my head hard enough to snap you out of it. The world might be broken, but physics still works, and physics doesn't care if society ended yesterday. I drag you toward the wreckage washed up on the shore. Plastic bottles, metal scraps, a busted window pane, half a roll of black trash bags. Garbage to most people, survival gear to you. You kneel beside a shallow puddle left by the tide, shimmering with tiny grains of salt.
It looks drinkable. That's the trap. I slap your hand away before you scoop any. Your kidneys would fail before sunset. A distant crash echoes from the cliffs. Maybe someone else out here, maybe the wind bullying the rocks. Either way, you stiffen, because danger and dehydration feel the same. Dizzy, loud heartbeat, shrinking world. You mutter that you should have subscribed to more survival breakdowns before the apocalypse turned hydration into a puzzle, with death as the prize for getting it wrong. I smirk. At least you're learning. You pick up a clear plastic bottle, crocked but usable. I show you how to cut the bottom off with a piece of broken glass. You work faster now, fear functioning as adrenaline. You bury the bottle upside down in the sand, angle it toward the sun, and stretch a piece of plastic over the top. A small stone in the center creates a dip. Your hands shake, but that's fine. Shaking means you're still alive. You watch sunlight heat the seawater underneath. Watch droplets condense on the underside of the plastic, sliding toward the center and dripping into the container waiting below. Pure, clean.
Drinkable. You stare like you're witnessing a miracle, but this is just survival. Stealing victory from physics one drop at a time. It's slow, maddeningly slow. A few milliliters every hour. But slow water is still water, and water means you get another sunrise. You sip the first tiny mouthful. It's not enough to quench you, not even close, but it hits your throat like hope diluted in sunlight. You close your eyes for a second, letting the taste anchor you, letting the world stop spinning. A shadow moves behind you, a stray dog or a desperate person, you can't tell. You tense instantly, clutching your tiny reservoir like it's gold. And you're right to protect it. In the world that's left, water is worth more than weapons. You straighten your back, stronger now that you've tasted survival instead of surrender. The sun climbs higher, your makeshift still keeps dripping, and you finally understand the rule that keeps people alive long after the world ends. Don't drink the sea. Outsmart it.